Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 7 for the How to Become a Pro Makeup Artist here on my YouTube channel. Now, I know I look a little crazy. I have my base completely done. I have one eye done and lip gloss on. I just wanted to show on one eye how to do a smoky eye. So I think I'm actually going to zoom in. I haven't done a close-up eye look in a long time, so I think I'm going to zoom in. Alright, I absolutely love how this eye look turned out. I haven't tried something like this before. I didn't want to use black because I don't really like using black eyeshadow when doing a smoky eye, even though you're technically supposed to. But I feel like a brown smoky eye is a lot more prettier, so I went with brown, and I don't have a black gel eyeliner, so we're gonna go with this. So the palette that we're going to be using today is the Natasha Denona Glam palette, one of my favorites. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to prime the eyes. I'm gonna take my Nars Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I think I need to get more of this. It's like almost out. It's like my favorite eye primer. I absolutely love it. I'm going to apply that, and then I like to blend it in with my finger. Then I'm going to take my ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Brew Haha. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the waterline and the tight line first. I recently figured out how to tight line, and I absolutely love doing it now. And like, it's so much easier than like to hold your lid open like this and do it like that. I kind of just push it into lashes pretty much. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to smudge out the eyeliner. But I like to pick some up on the brush too from the actual eyeliner. Just do it that way. I feel like that way is a lot easier. So I'm going to go on the bottom lash line with this. It looks crazy right now. I'm going to use kind of like a blending brush just to kind of blend that a little bit more. Then I'm going to line the upper lash line. This doesn't have to be really perfect because we're going to smudge it anyway. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to go into the Natasha Denona palette, and we're going to use the color Smoke just to smudge the lash line, or the eyeliner that we placed. Kind of went too far a little bit, so that's what I'll try to clean it up there. I'm also going to go on the bottom lash line as well. Okay, and with a bigger brush, a more dome type brush like this one is the Sigma E30 brush. I'm going to take the color Crease and apply this shade slightly above the eyeliner shade that we placed. I also want to place this all in the lid as well. I like to go back in and kind of blend it a little bit, and we can reapply the eyeliner too. And then I'm going to take the same crease shade from the palette, go along the lower lash line with that too. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Crease with my crease brush, or no, sorry, the shade Transition. My bad. So I know in the Natasha Denona palettes, some of them, I think maybe some of them, or all of them, have that like where you can switch out the shades. I guess there's like holes in the back of the palette, I guess, like this. I don't know, I've never done that before. Comment down below if you've done that, if you switched out any of the shades to I guess, make it your own. Again, comment down below because I want to know how to do it, how to do it, and if it's a thing, if people like to kind of switch their shades up. So comment down below. Okay, now that we have the transition shade on, I'm going to reapply the gel liner only on the upper lash line. And what I'm only going to do is I'm going to take the brush that we used to smudge it and just smudge that. I'm going to actually pick up more of the smoke shade in the palette and even smudge it out a lot more with that. Off camera, I'm going to apply my lashes, so I'll be right back. This is the Foam Mink Everyday Lashes from Lily Lashes. Last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the palette, and I'm going to take the color Lash Line, which is this, or no, sorry, Inner Corner, and apply that to the inner corner. And I'm also going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm going to use the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!